What's up, guys? It's me, your girl Elisa from StylishCurves.com, and today your girl is back with a new video. And I'm super excited about today's video because, y'all, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of some new Dior Slingback heels that I've been coveting for an entire year, and your girl found them for her big old size 11 feet. So if you're interested in checking out this video, you guys already know what to do, and that is to keep on watching. So let's get started. So I found my coveted Dior Slingbacks at Saks Fifth Avenue. I found them like a little over a week ago. I did this whole day of shopping, which I have a vlog on it. It's called Come Shopping With Me. I'll leave a link down for you guys to check it out. I happened to walk past Saks and something in my spirit was like, listen, you should probably go in there. I think you should go in there. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna listen and go in, but I really wasn't looking for anything in Saks. So the first department I go to, of course, is the shoe department because I love shoes. I happened to be in the department and in the shoe department, and I was looking around and I wasn't really seeing anything that caught my eye. So as I was getting ready to leave Saks, I happened to just stop in the middle of the shoe department, and I did like one last scan. And as I was scanning, I see the Dior section, and literally like straight ahead in my view, I see the Dior Slingback pumps. I don't know how to pronounce the name of them. I think they're pronounced J-Adore or Dior. Anyway, I'll leave the name at the bottom and you guys can tell me in the comment section how to say it. I saw them and I was like, oh my gosh, I've been looking for these in my size, and I know that they had them online, but when it comes to very expensive shoes and designer shoes, I need to try them on before I buy. And I tried them on. Listen, guys, they fit so good. So let me show you them instead of telling you about them. So I got them in a size 42, and they just come in this regular white Dior box. And on the inside, it comes with two Dior dust bags, one for each shoe. All right, so let me open them up and show ya what I'm working with. Here they are. So these are the Dior, J-Adore. I'm gonna just say J-Dior till you guys tell me. But anyway, so here they are. They are so beautiful and classic. And the reason why I was coveting them, because I felt like they had a little sauce to them. So even though they are a very classic style slingback pump, and I feel like when it comes to slingbacks, people might think of them as a more mature woman's shoe or as like a work shoe, but what made me like them was this part here, the fabric stretch band, and the fact that they say Ja Dior, or maybe that's how you say it, Ja Dior. Anyway, so I thought that was the sauce added to it. And then I really love the fabric texture on this. This is like a waffle fabric texture. Now, these also come in a whole assortment of other colors. They come in nude patent leather. I think there's a black and nude leather. Then there's like a red leather. Then there's a plush pink patent leather. And they also come in different heel heights. So I got them in a 4-inch heel. They also come in a kitten heel, but I'm just not a kitten heel kind of girl. And when I tried these on, they looked so good on, and they fit perfect, like to a T. So again, I got these in a size 42, and these are equivalent to a size 11 in US size. Now, when I tried them on, they did feel a bit stiff, and I figured it was gonna feel stiff because it is a fabric texture, and also the sole is a leather sole. Now, I have worn these already. As you can see, they have scuffs on them. I wore these already. So on the back, it just has the Dior written on the back, and then it has the gold star. And then on the insole of the shoe, it just has Christian Dior, and then it has Paris. So this shoe right here, I just feel like it's going to work well in my wardrobe. Even when I tried them on in the store, in my head I was already coming up with like 4 different outfits to rock these with, and I feel like these are classy enough to definitely wear with dresses and skirts. But again, I feel like this gives it the sauce. And that to me was perfect, because it's like, okay, I could also rock these with jeans and a blazer, or jeans and a cute top, and it would still give me a youthful and trendy kind of look. The comfort in these, I feel like so far I could probably do a good 3 to 4 hours standing in these. Now, like I said, they're stiff. They don't pinch my feet. I like to say I have semi-wide feet. So when I buy wide width shoes, sometimes wide width shoes are too wide for my feet, but sometimes a regular medium width shoe can be a little too tight. But once I wear them, they stretch out. This one for me, I felt like fit like it was made specifically for my foot. And then, like I said, there is a little bit of stiffness, but I figure once I wear them a couple more times, that stiffness will loosen up. The heel height is very comfortable for me to walk in, and not like where I feel like I'm kind of teeter-tottering. Again, it's just a 4-inch heel, but I also like how the heel is positioned. It's positioned all the way in the back, and then I feel like it has like this little piece right here, which I feel like adds a little bit of comfort. Now the stretch, I was nervous about, because when I did put them on, I had to like really try to stretch them. But on the side of the shoe, which I hope you guys can see, there's a little elastic for the stretch. So that made it comfortable. And then I just felt like the little bow right here looks like it's a ribbon around on the sling part, on the slingback part. This little bow right here I thought was really cute. And then just to have the Dior on the side, again, I just thought it added a little flavor to it. And if you are plus size, so I know a lot of the times a lot of plus size girls feel like they can't wear, you know, heels, or especially designer heels. As a plus size girl, I feel like you're always safer with anything that is between 3 and 4 inches as far as comfort level with your weight, you know, standing on the heels. So for me, 4 inches is nothing to me. Like I could run in 4-inch heels. But if you are the kind of person that's like, oh, this is a really cute shoe, I want to try it, I'm telling you, like, it definitely holds you up. When I was reading basically how to take care of the shoes, so they suggested that you should not wear these shoes 2 days in a row. They said because obviously it's Italian leather and it's a delicate shoe, and I can say that is very true when it comes to designer shoes. The leather is some of the leather is very soft and delicate, so you don't want to like wear them down to the ground. And I feel like for me, these are easy to wear down to the ground because they're just something I can throw on if I'm going out for like lunch or dinner or something. So it did suggest to not wear it 2 days in a row. It also suggested that you might want to put something at the bottom of the shoe for the soles. And you know, living in New York City, you got cobblestones, you got rough, rugged streets. So I'm definitely going to put a sole at the bottom. But that's pretty much it, guys, for these shoes. I think that they're really comfortable. I think they're very chic. I feel like they fit my style. And again, they were comfortable to me, but I've heard other people, and I've seen other reviews on YouTube that say that they didn't find them comfortable. But I think those are people who might have gotten that kitten heel. So I have a high arch in my foot, so kitten heels to me feel a little uncomfortable. So I'm thinking maybe if they got the kitten heel, that's why it hurt. But for me, these did not hurt. The only thing is that they were stiff. So if you want to check these out, I will leave a link down in the description box for you to check them out. Alright guys, so that is it for me. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to check out more plus size style, fashion, and beauty, make sure you check out the blog, stylishcurves.com. Also, if you're not and you want to see things that I'm buying before video, make sure you check me out on Instagram at stylishcurves. Alright guys, so that's it for me. I will see you next time in my next video. Bye!